How would it feel if you could read about a topic once and remember it forever? The internet and YouTube are full of articles and videos offering numerous tips and tricks, suggesting you eat this, wake up at a certain time, sleep at a certain time, do this, and do that to improve your memory. However, in this video I will share 2 major reasons why you struggle to remember things. If you understand these reasons and adjust your study techniques accordingly, you will certainly be able to remember things much faster compared to before. First, let me ask you, why do you always remember a good movie you watched? Why does a beautiful person make an impression on you within seconds? Let me give you another example. If you meet a highly successful person at a function and take a selfie with them, you never forget that moment in your life. It seems like your brain is being selective. It forgets what you try to remember, but retains what it finds appealing. Imagine if this brain power could apply to every field in your life. What if you could read about a topic, a chemical reaction, or a math formula just once and remember it forever? The point is, from the examples I gave, it is clear that things we find enjoyable, or that our brain perceives as special or interesting, are remembered permanently. The central point here is interest. When our brain is interested in something, it doesn't hesitate to remember it and stores it quickly in permanent memory. Therefore, the first insight is interest. If you're studying without interest, just because your parents told you to or to avoid being scolded in class, even if you read it 100 times, there's no guarantee you'll remember it. On the other hand, if a girl gives you her phone number, your brain's super soul wakes up, and you'll remember that number no matter what, whether you have a pen, paper, or mobile or not. Just an example, and not just for boys, girls remember a lot too. If someone appreciates a girl's hairstyle at a wedding, she'll remember that compliment for a long time because everyone likes appreciation. So the brain remembers quickly what it is interested in and enjoys. This is the main reason study material isn't remembered easily. Now that you understand, the first problem is creating interest in studying, but how? Let me tell you a truth: when you set a goal in your life, everything related to achieving that goal will automatically become interesting to you. The main reason for not having interest in studies is that our goals are not fixed and our intentions are not strong enough. Decide what you want to do with your life. And once you've decided, don't overthink it. Whenever you sit down to study, your goal should be in your mind. Then, you won't complain about not being interested in studying or not being able to focus. A powerful tip for remembering things quickly is interest. Next comes visualization. What was common in the examples I gave at the beginning of the video? Those moments were happening right in front of our eyes. The things our eyes see as images are easier for our brain to remember. Imagine witnessing a horrific incident. You might be traumatized for a long time, and it could appear in your dreams repeatedly. When you study, create a scene in your mind of what you're reading. For example, if you're studying history, imagine it as a movie playing in front of you. Know the characters and what they did in history, and imagine it as a film. Relate new things you learned to what is already in your mind. For instance, with the science formula sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1 related to something you already know. You know that the value of sine of 45 degrees is the square root of 2 divided by 2, and that cosine of 45 degrees is the same. In this formula, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals the square root of 2 divided by 2 squared plus the square root of 2 divided by 2 squared equals 1. This formula was new to you, but you related it to something you already knew, helping your brain retain it faster. So guys, in this video I shared 2 major and basic reasons and solutions that will definitely impact your memory. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful in boosting your memory and making studying more effective. Remember, building interest and using visualization are powerful tools to help you retain information better. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights. Feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.